Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with this clearance sign that I got at the Christmas tree shop before they closed. And I'm going to take my antique wax and just stain the frame a little bit darker. Once I had that all stained darker, I'm going to paint the whole inside of it with a couple of coats of white paint. Once I had that all painted, I am going to take one of these window pane frames from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint that with this color called Thicket. I really love this color. I think it's so pretty, and I never thought of it as a Christmas color until now, and I think it's beautiful. So I did a couple of coats of that on the frame and made sure that all of the white was covered. So once that was dry, I'm going to set aside my other frame that we just painted, and I am going to take some white and just kind of whitewash the outside of the frame. Just going to kind of go over it really quickly with a little bit of white paint. Bring out some of the features of the frame itself. Then I'm going to take these transfers that I got from Timeless Designs. If you're interested in these, I have a Amazon link for you. And I'm going to peel off the back, and I'm going to lay that on the bottom of the frame, and then I am going to rub out the transfer. And it came with a stick. They all come with the stick that you can use. I ended up using this and my Cricut spatula because I really just love my Cricut spatula. And just slowly go around making sure that all of your design is stuck, and then peel up the plastic. And look how cute that is. I absolutely love these designs from them. They make beautiful transfers. Next, I'm going to take that frame and I'm going to glue it right over the top of that transfer. So I'm just kind of lining up to see where I want it, and then I'm going to add some glue to the back of this frame and then hot glue it down into place. Just kind of pop it right over the design, press it down, make sure that it's held well, and look how pretty that is. Next, I'm going to take this Merry Christmas transfer, and this is from two different packets. The Merry Christmas is from one, and the background one is from another. I'm going to stick that right to the bottom of the frame, use the applicator to put it on, and then again start peeling it up. And I went really slow. I don't want to miss any letters or any pieces. Kind of pressing down as I pull it up, and look how cute this is. So once I had that all on, I'm going to add some greenery to the top. So just kind of cut off a bunch of pieces from some picks that I had. I'm going to lay my bigger greenery down on the bottom, kind of deciding where I want it. Just add some glue to the center and just start placing out my pieces. And just adding them in, making sure that they're glued down. And then I'm going to add some of these leaves that they kind of look like lamb's ear, but I'm not sure that that's exactly what they were. So I'm going to add those on top of the regular greenery. I want this to sit correctly, so I'm messing with it a lot. I guess maybe they are lamb's ears, but they're beautiful. They have like a snow tint to them. Then I'm going to add these white berries right on top of those leaves. I'm going to use my thing to hold that down into place. And I didn't want these too close together because I'm going to add a bow, so I kind of pulled them out towards the end of the greenery. Then I just took some chenille fabric and I just made a bow, just a simple bow. I ripped a strip and then made a bow out of it. And I'm going to pop that right into the center. So as you can see, I'm kind of pulling these out so that they don't get hidden by the bow. I want to still be able to see the berries and see the greens. I'm going to add that right to the center. And look at how cute this is. And mess with my bow, get it to look right. Then once I have it all on, all the greenery is glued down and everything is glued and dried, I'm going to take some enchanted shimmer and I'm going to go around the background. And then I also ended up going on to the frame itself. So I'm just going to go around and add it. I thought it needed some shimmer. I wanted it to have a snowy effect. So I'm going to add this enchanted shimmer all the way around. And look how pretty it is. I wish you could see the glimmer that this has. Next, I'm going to do the inside of the windows right on top of the transfer. And then I'm also going to do the frame itself. And this just adds such a beautiful effect. And so simple. And I love the shimmer, but not having the glitter going everywhere. So once I have that all done, I'm then going to take some glitter snow and I'm going to put it at the bottom of each one of the windows. So I'm just going to kind of go around to all the windows and place it right in the bottom and just a little bit in each window. Kind of make it look like it had snowed out and you're looking inside from outside through a snowy window. And how cute is this? I love it. Next, I'm just going to add some of that snow to some of the greenery up at the top. And then finally, I had this little snowflake button, and I'm going to add that right to the center of my bow. And this is it. This project is all finished. I think it turned out so super cute. It was really easy and it was fun to make, and it really just screams winter. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this inspires you to make one. As always, don't forget to spread the chaos.